Hello and welcome back. I'm doing an easy glitter liner look. Priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Cloud. I'm using the Toddy Beauty palette today, setting my lids with the Aura Matte shade. This is a super simple look with the eyeshadow, and the main focus is the liner. Going through the crease with a mid-tone brown in the shade Sooth Matte. I wanted a little definition and warmth through the crease. Adding depth to the outer corner for a slight smoky look. This look could be done with any colors. You just need 2 shades of the same color, a lighter and a darker shade. For me, liner is always the hardest part of the look. I'm getting better at getting them even though lol. I'm using the Serafini Botanicals water-resistant Luna liner in black. I wanted the liner a little thicker because I wanted more space for glitter. Doing liner with hooded eyes can be a bit tricky. If you want the liner to look like a traditional wing, you have to make it really thick so it shows above the fold. My left eye is always harder to do eyeshadow or liner on because it has a second fold, which means there's just more skin in the way lol. To get the glitter to stick, I'm using the NYX glitter glue as a base. I'm using a tiny brush to make sure I stay on the liner, and I'm able to cover the entire wing. While the glitter glue is still tacky, I'm packing on the Aura glitter shade. I cut the clip on accident, but after I used my finger to press the glitter down smooth. The glitter glue is water-based, so it's not completely transfer resistant, but it holds up all day with my oily eyelids. Next time I do a look like this, I want to use a multi-chrome eyeshadow. I think that would look really pretty. Starting my base with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer with 4% niacinamide. I love primers that have skincare in them. Concealing my under eyes and breakouts with the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Cloud and the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Hydrating Concealer in Light Ivory. These mixed have the prettiest finish. One is matte and one is hydrating, so they just balance each other out with really high coverage. Finishing my base with a mix of the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. I like a little of my skin to show through and have a slight natural finish to my base. I used to hate my freckles showing, now I don't mind as much. With the Coty Air Spun Setting Powder in Translucent, I'm pressing powder in heavier where I crease. Lightly pressing powder in everywhere else and dusting away any extra. Adding warmth back into the skin with the bronzer from the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. Using the Ciate London Marbled Light, Illuminating Blush in Warm Berry. Highlighting with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. Melting the powders with the Manicotter Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in Deep Brown. Setting my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel. I probably shouldn't watch Julian Solomita streams while filming. Tight lining and lining my eyes with the Tristique eyeliner in Santorini Black Sand. I added a little extra so I could smudge it out with the sponge tip. Adding more depth with the Soothe Matte shade. It also brings in warmth to tie in the crease shade. Highlighting the inner corners with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash N-Roll Mascara in black. Honestly, this video was such a nightmare to film and to edit. I kept having the most annoying tech issues across multiple days. I'm so glad I actually figured out what half of the issues were and was able to get this edited. Sigh. Filling in my lips with my favorite lip liner, the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskine Cashmere Lip Pencil in Mocha. I swear this is such a universally flattering shade. Finishing the lips with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in Black Cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.